Hey guys, back in the garage again, working on the 66 Mustang. Game plan for today? What I'd love to get done is get the fenders off this car, get the interior out of it, get the front end off of it, take all this off. I'd love to get that done today, but I got to show you something before I start taking it apart. So I'm in here looking, and I see this strap right there. So I'm like, what is that? It's a strap that holds the battery down. Good job, Glenn. Hey, it's not a bad idea if it works. So I just had to show you that. So my son and I, we're going to get started on this now. And give me a minute. We'll be right back. I'll bring it down a little bit. How's that? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh, let me get you. I got to get you a bag to put that in. Here's a Phillips head right there. Just take that when you take it out. Just put everything in there, okay? Wow. I don't know much about these things at all. They look pretty cool. All right. That looks like a 7/16 for this pan right here. You know what? Why don't we raise the car so it's easier for us to work on it? All right. Hold on. No, hold on a second. Alrighty. Lower this a little bit. Oh, you know what? Let me get this battery out of here. Let me get this hook off of here. Oh, come on. This is no good. This is no good. You know where to put it. All right. Oh, that's what those pieces are. All right. It's got to get changed. All right. You want to pull these screws out here? 1/2 inch up top. This way you know this is done. Yeah. This is all. This is all this right here. This piece right here.
This is broken right here.
That looks like a half. Oh, wait a minute. We're gonna have to get this. Well, we could disassemble the grill and everything once we get all this out. What's that? Half? Wow. Yeah. Hold on. I'll get you a Ziploc bag for the grill ones. Toss those in here. All right, I just want to show you what we're fighting with. It's not really a fight. It's just trying to figure out how to access it. There's a bolt. Let's see if I can show you. You see this right here? Straight ahead right there. I don't know if you can see it. That's where the fender is bolted. I have to pull this panel off, it looks like, and there's an access plug over here to get that bolt off the fender. So, like I say, this is new to me. I don't know these cars. I like them. I don't know them too well. And the more I'm starting to take them apart, the more I'm like, wow, these cars are pretty simple. All right, I just want to stop and show you where we were with these fenders. That's the only thing that's holding us from taking the fenders off this car. So, here we go. Back to work. That other sill plate when you get a chance. That one's still not off yet. No? Oh, the end one? Oh, look at that. It's got them on the inside, too. All right, I'm going to leave you with this. I'm going to go to the other side, see if I can get that plug out of there. Okay? Let me know if you need a hand with that. Yeah, that's the plug. at that. Wow. There we go. Got it. Yeah, look at that. It feels like 3/8 deep socket. 7/16 deep socket. Hey, buddy, do you have the what am I looking for? 7/16 deep socket. Found it.
I'm gonna take the C-pole.
Job right here to get that. Thank you.
Need the extension.
It might be too long, but I'll try. Well, first, let me see if this is it. Yep, that's it. Do we have a short extension?
It's on the gun.
Crystal clear right here. What the? It's pretty wild. They put the bolt on the fender and then they slide it in. I'll show you in a second.
I'm gonna take out this door latch.
Huh?
I'm gonna take out this door latch.
All right, got it. Let's see if we can get this fender off. Oh no, we can't. This one has the upper bolt in here. All right, guys, I just want to stop and show you where we are. Well, we got the front end pretty much all off. Here's a fender. I'm going to show you what I was fighting on the driver's side. To get these fenders off, give me 1 second. I'm back. There's this right here. The way to get to that bolt is through the kick panel. I'll show you. I say when you see me fighting in here again, you know what I'm fighting with. All right. You see that hole, that round hole right there? That's this plug right here, if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it. I got to pop that plug out, and then that's how I can access the bolt that holds the inside of that fender in there. So I got to say, out of everything that they've done on this car, it's all really, really, I like the way they put it together because it's so simple. That's the toughest bolt to get to, and it's not bad. Alrighty, so I just wanted to stop and show you where we are. All right. Oh, I need a flashlight. Probably my glasses. Okay. Let's see. Oh my God. Come on out. They don't like to come out. They just like to break these things. Yeah, doesn't like to come out. Oh my goodness. Do you have that impact gun, buddy? I got. Oh wait, this is the big gun. I don't want this big gun. You got the big guns. You have the smaller gun? You don't mind grabbing it for me? Wherever it is. Thank you. Here it is. Okay. You should be able to take this fender off. Okay. You could probably lower this car. Huh?
It's lower than. Should have lowered it.
Yeah, no, wherever you want to put it. That's a good height. This should come off. Huh. All right. I'm going to put this over here. We'll go through it. This is what I want to look at.
So where did you have to go through to get that last bolt?
Right here. Take a look. Look at this.
Oh.
There's a bolt that's clipped onto the fender.
That's it.
Yeah, you got to get through it from the other side. Great idea. I mean, look how simple this is. It's nothing. This wasn't even worth taking off. I hate to say it. It's not even rusted. Not even starting to rust. Gosh. Maybe a little tad here. That's it. I gotta tell you, are we really working on a Mustang right now? Because normally these things are really right over there.
Does this car have a name yet or no?
No, we haven't named it yet. Somebody had mentioned it. We might want to put a name on it. I'll speak to Glenn. I can't get over this. It just needs this shield right here. Yeah. Glenn, you got yourself a good car here. All right. I'm going to take a 2-minute break, gather my thoughts, and then we'll start taking those braces off, the bumper braces and everything, okay? All right. We'll be right back. All right. I'm going to take these bumper brackets off right here. My son's taking the seats out, and they come out through the bottom. All right. Here we go. Oh. 5/8. Oh no, I didn't. All right. Gotta grab that other impact on over here. Oh, here it is. What do you got on here? You got the seatbelts out, bud?
Yeah.
Thank you. Amazing. Look at that. 2 separate pieces coming out together. Wow. See the other. Wow. It's crazy where I pull this bumper bracket off, right? It's the paint is still shiny underneath it. Yeah. Let's get these out of here. How'd you make out with those bolts on there? Oh, wow. All right. Want to bring the car down? We'll take them out. You're good. Yeah. Can you stop 1 second? We'll clear off the workbench right here. This here. I was gonna say stop so we could just take this off. I'm just gonna put the bolts back on the bottom. Oh yeah. Oh damn, buddy! I would have raised the car up for you. That's commitment. Yeah. All right. Got it?
Yep.
Oh, nice. You barely got 30. What are these things? I've never seen any of this stuff before. But it all makes sense. Look at that. All right. Yeah, I'll take those.
There's supposed to be one here. I don't know where it is.
No,
It might still be on the seat.
okay. You don't see anything anywhere else? All right. I'll check the seat. No. Oh, you know what I do need though? Give me the nuts for the seat so I can put them on here so we don't lose them. I had bigger Ziploc bags that we could put the seat belts in, and I can't find them.
I have 5 here. I didn't think there was 5 though.
Yeah, we have. Oh, you could tell one wasn't used. This one here.
Unless it's from something else.
I don't know. That's a good question. I'm gonna throw this in the bag.
5 holes here, so that's probably it.
There is?
Yeah. I don't know if here's a screw, but I don't know. It doesn't fit that nut though.
Let me. I don't want to damage these seats.
It's this one right here.
What are they for?
It was in the carpet.
I don't know. It doesn't matter. You know, wherever it's missing, I'll throw a new one in anyway. Yeah, that's all right. Huh? What's coming out? It's gonna get replaced with a new one.
Okay.
Yeah. So, but we gotta get
Start
that out.
taking these out.
Yeah. Be very careful with that. And please see how it comes apart because you'll have to show me how it goes back together. Okay. Huh? It's all right. You know, let me send a picture to Ray. All right, just stopping to show you where we are. Seats are out. My son's gonna pull the console out. I had to pull the kick panels out. This one kick panel that was on this side was no good, but I had to pull the kick panels out so we can get the fenders off. Like I said, my son's gonna take out this console so we can get this carpet out and hopefully get the back seat out and these panels off. Alrighty, let me get out of my son's way. Okay, there you go, buddy. But these cars come apart so easy. Well, I can't say that. This car right here, that not one bolt fought, and they all came out like brand new. It's amazing. It's kind of hard to believe we're working on a Mustang right now. Normally, I'm so used to them being so rotted, and this one's not rotted at all. It's in really nice shape. I really like this car. Alrighty, you know what? We're just gonna keep plugging away and see what we can get done. Okay, here we go. What's that? There's probably gonna be a wire underneath there, buddy. Probably from up front, because it's got a rear light, console light. Yeah, I'm gonna come around here. Yep, here it is. Right here. Hold on. Hold on. If this has any of the plugs, like, I can't see. I gotta get my glasses. No, we'll be able to get it out. Let me grab my glasses and the flashlight. While you're over there, do me a favor. You know the bag that we're putting all the front end hardware and stuff in? Can you put that in there? And I'll take a look here to see how we can get this out. Oh my gosh. So this must have. What's that?
Somebody is here.
Ah, it might be Paul. All right. All right. Tear it out. Is there really? There's one over here. I'm just going to pull the carpet up and then I'll get back to the screw. Wow, look at the carpet. Holy smokes. Look at that.
It's clean.
It's still painted. What's that? Nah. No. I'm going to take it. I'll fold it over. Oh, that's the.
It'll come out now.
Okay.
There's something to a matchbook.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Keep that.
All right. Yeah. If you could take this, you take it right outside by the side of my truck.
All right.
It's the bottom here.
Huh?
Never mind. Just gotta tear it out. Got it? All right. Here. Thanks, buddy. All right, guys. I just want to show you how clean these floors are. It's amazing. Look at that. A little bit right there. And the same, I think, on the other side, and that's it. That's how clean these floors are. I know I keep geeking out over how clean this car is, but it's nice to see it's that clean. Look at that. It's amazing. Super clean. Alrighty, I'm gonna stop for a minute. I'll be right back. Alrighty, we're back. Actually, I think what we're gonna do, we're just gonna pull out the back seats, those back panels right there. And that might do it for today. We got a decent amount done. So we're gonna actually just chip away on this and see what we could do. Here we go. I'll hand it out over to you. And then I'm thinking we might put it up in the attic. Top order. That easy just goes right up. Right here.
I got it.
There's another nest in there.
There's a what?
Another nest.
Oh, there is. I wonder how these come off. I'm not even gonna guess it that way.
You gonna vacuum that?
Yeah. Please. Let's take a look. Not too bad. Alrighty. My son's gonna vacuum this out really quick. We might call it a day, but we'll see. Set you up. All right, we're back. My son took these splash guards off right here. Comes around. This is what they look like. Right there. Yeah, they need to be changed. So, honestly, my parts guy's got them in stock, so he's going to drop them off. And we're going to plug away a little bit more, and we're probably going to call it a day. All right, so I think we got a decent amount done today. We're really moving on this car. And I'm pretty happy with how it is. So that's pretty much it. Maybe we're going to try to get these panels off, but we'll see. Alrighty, we'll be back. All right, we're going to take these back panels off. If I could find my thing to hold my phone. Here we go. Let me get that. You should be able to pull that doorknob off. Excuse me, the window crank. You should be able to pull that out. I loosened the Allen key that's on there. work back and forth. Look at this one. This one, it's like almost. Do you have that plastic cover that was on it?
What?
Is there a plastic cover like this?
Is it on it?
It maybe fell on the floor. If not, don't worry.
Yes.
No? All right. Okay.
Here, can you check these?
I'm gonna put them right back into where they came out. It looks like it's got about 5. I might have to pull away from the window crank.
It's down here.
You got another screw down there? Oh yeah, there's one in the front over here. Yeah. All right, I'll take that gun from you also. I'll take this one. That's it, huh?
It's weird, they made those like
I know, right? There you go.
take this plastic paper off.
No, no, it's not. Got that? Okay. Oh. Oh, I see. Yeah, because I'll get those levers out of here. I'm gonna put these in the bag and I'm gonna tape them to those panels, so we don't lose them. How's that looking there?
It's fine.
Alright, so there's no hidden secrets on this car. Alright, we got the panels off. It's all set. Just have to fix this down in here, here and here. Another one down over there. But that's it really, no big surprises. I think that's gonna be it. We'll go over the car in a minute, everything that we did and what we're gonna do tomorrow. Okay? I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. My son left, he came over, gave me a huge hand today, and let's go over what we got done. Right here. We took it apart. We got the fenders off. And you know, this kind of fought me a little bit. It didn't really fight me, I just didn't know how to approach it. But now I'm thinking, once these splash guards are gone right here, I might be able to get down in there and get to it. So we'll see. We got the carpet out, the seats out, the console, back seat panels, all that stuff in here. And I'm pretty happy with how the floors are. It's got a few little flaws in it, but nothing compared to what some of these cars look like. It's in pretty good shape. So we got that done. What else did we get done today? I mean, we just bounced around all over the place today. We got the front, the grill out, all of this. It's just pulled apart. So game plan for tomorrow is I think tomorrow what I may do is just go around with little cardboard templates I'll make all the templates out of all the rusted areas that have to be done. I'll give my son the cardboard templates, and he can cut them all out for me. Because he's not going to be here on Thursday. He has reserves. So, I only have him, for, to give me a hand, maybe just till tomorrow. So, but I think we got a decent amount done. So, all right, enough babbling. So I want to do tomorrow is get all the little cardboard templates made up and everything like that, so my son cut them out. And I'm thinking I might tackle these fenders. Might start doing these here. And that one right there. I might just start plugging away at some of the body panels and things like that. It makes it a lot easier to do the fenders when they're off the car. So hopefully we'll get that done. We'll just keep plugging away at what we can actually move on. My parts guy actually has these right here. So there's no wait time there, which is awesome. And I'm just curious to see if I can leave those out, get to that inner fender bolt, and then put that splash guard back in. So either way, I could get to it, whether I get to it from here, through this hole right there, or not. Either way, we can get to it. And that's hopefully that's what we can get done. This way, I'm hoping by the end of the week, or maybe even to Saturday, I might even work Saturday, we can start putting this car back together again. So we'll see. But it's off to a good start. And I just wanted to keep you posted on what's going on with this 66 Mustang. And it's a very solid car. It's going to be a cool little project when it's finished. It'll be a nice little car, I think. So, enough babbling. I appreciate you guys watching. And you guys take care of yourselves.